Hello and welcome and a happy new year. Now yes, that's a very pretty dimensional highlight result. And in my first video of 2022, I want to bring to you a super simple foil placement. It's all about the power of 3. Now before I show you exactly where I placed just 27 foils to refresh Molly's look, let's check out our starting point. Molly has some existing highlights done by myself about 4 months ago, but we want to brighten everything up. Okay, first things first. So before any chemical service, I go in with K18 Molecular Repair Mist. And the way to prep the hair for that is to spritz lightly with water. After spraying each section 4 to 5 times with the repair mist, I just waited 4 minutes before starting the application. I like to use simple sectioning patterns. And you can see here I've gone from the top of the crown to just behind the ear in the nape of the neck. Using the diagonal of the nape hairline, I place 3 medium woven highlights back to back. Oh yes, this is where we get into the power of 3. Yes, 3. And I repeat that on the other side so it's a mirror image. Working at the crown now, and you can see I'm using a slightly bolder weave and making sure I'm using my wide Foil Me foil. This means I can cover a larger surface area quicker. Here's my second foil at the crown and then my third foil at the crown. Yes, 1, 2, 3. The power of 3. It really is that simple. With the back completed, yes, really, it's time to move on to the face frame. You can see here that my weave is slightly finer and I'm not leaving any hair in between here. They're literally back to back. And again, 1, 2, 3. Then I repeat that process on the face frame next to the parting. I like to work up to the parting and not through it. I find that the results are a lot more blended. And there we have another 3 foils. Continuing on to meet the foils in the crown, and it's all about negative space. You can see here I'm still using my wide foil and my weave is a bold medium. It's really important here that there is hair in between the foils. This gives you a dimensional result and that diffused look. And it is, again, 3 foils. There's the hair at the crown that I've left out, and there's a teasy light. More on that in a second. Once that's completed, it's time to mirror it on the opposite side. And you can see here that negative space again. That's really important with this technique. Now more on that teasy light. Everyone wants a pop of colour near the eyes, and that's exactly what those 2 teasy lights are. Once they're in, I tuck it up into the other foils to ensure it lifts using body heat. Once ready, I removed the back over at the basins and then waited for the front to process. Once that was ready, we rinsed, shampooed, and I went in with K18 Molecular Mask. I've been using this with great results before toning and glossing. A couple of pumps on towel-dried hair, wait 4 minutes, and then go in with your colour. Whilst we added plenty of brightness with just 27 foils, it's worth remembering that dimension at the crown. I softly root shadowed, there's a video all about root shadowing here on my channel popping up in the corner, and then flash tone the mid-lengths and ends at the basin. Yes, this result from the most simple application. Now, a reminder that if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit that bell notification. There's loads more of my hair day to day and free education on my Instagram, which is on screen now. A huge thank you for watching, a happy new year, and I'll see you in the next one.